Now, there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to make money with ClickBank. It is a service everyone have heard of, and immediately it's the best option in terms of you getting started and without having to sign up for approval. There are hundreds of affiliate networks out there, and with products that might make a fortune, but you've never heard of. Especially when it comes to big budget items, you won't find a lot on ClickBank site. The biggest standalone products with massive profit levels are often on private networks. If you're serious about hitting all the possible profit opportunities, make sure you focus on the way in which you can target the other affiliate networks out there. If you would like to learn the right way to get started in affiliate marketing, or if you've been doing it for a while, there's a link below this video where you can get free access to a 6-part video course. Thanks again for your time, and I wish you all the best. Remember to check out the free videos in the description below to learn how to make even more money.